Hi, my name is Dhan Tamang and I'm 6 times UK Latte Art Champion. I'm going to show you how to pour free pour Rosetta. So let's prepare the espresso. A coffee, I'm using 18 grams and 36 grams out. Make sure you have beautiful espresso. And cup, I'm using 200 ml cup. So while we bring the espresso, let's prepare the milk. So the jug, I'm using 400 ml. So make sure just under 200. Stop. And let's say, and now milk steam, exactly the same as tulip and hot. So tilt the jug, the spout is just off the center. Because of it's a small jug and less quantity of milk, this will be quite quickly. So now stretch the milk and slightly go deeper, around half a centimeters. So now milk is already ready. So it will take a less time than 300 ml cup. Espresso, mix the espresso. To pour Rosetta, it needs a slightly different technique than tulip and hot. So now, the start exactly the same way, around 10 to 15 centimeters, and around halfway through, go forward, wiggle and go forward and wiggle back, and then make sure you control and finish. That's free pour Rosetta.